So with receive, one of the options is rather than receiving all your goods into the warehouse and then putting them away, another way of doing receipt is to receive directly into the put away location. Now, this works really well for fashion apparel with a high number of total SKUs. So what that will mean if you've got a high number of total SKUs probably means you've got a sell-through rate where certain SKUs, once they sell out, they never come back. You might be adding 10, 50, 200 new styles a week. So you're constantly adding new products into the warehouse. What's selling fast is changing all the time. And it really is just about finding space to put product away. It's inevitable that you're going to have a product in like 3 different locations, 4 different locations, if it keeps coming back into stock. Because a single product might not only be like 5 different sizes, it could be in like 6 different colors. What we want to do to make it easier for our pickers is rather than putting the size 8, 10, 12, 14 jumpsuit in a single location, we want to put the size 8 in one location, the 10 in another, the 12 in another. Now, if we do that, we don't want to reserve that whole bin to just that jumpsuit. So we might decide to put with the black jumpsuit, a pink dress alongside it, and then maybe a blue t-shirt may also get added in. And it's actually the role of the put away team to do receive and put away in a single workflow. And the way that I see this work best is you receive by PO. You're selecting the items or the purchase orders that you want to receive in. And then as you're scanning like your particular items, so let's just choose this product here, I can look up where's that product currently stored in the warehouse. So if it was shown in only one existing pick location, I could decide to go and put it there. And the chances are if this particular product was in 5 sizes, when I put it into the location where it's currently stored, if in that box that I've got, you get a box from a supplier, it's going to have 8, 10, 12, 14, all the different sizes of the same color are likely to be together. You can then work through the box and go, okay, give me all the 8s. Where are they currently stored? Oh, they're stored here. Where are the 10s? They're stored here. And they should, if you've done the put away right the first time, it should all kind of make sense. The other scenario that's far more likely is the product's come in and you've never had it in stock before. And actually, you're not really bothered about making sure the product goes in the location it's currently stored in. It's just a case of getting it out and onto the shelf. And in that scenario, you'd scan the individual product and then you just choose any location to receive it into. So here, we're not actually concerned with where the product's currently stored. We're just about interested in where can we put it into location, continue receiving, and we can just keep cycling through. So in this example, I could have picked one product of a certain size, pick the other item of a different size, choose my quantity I want to receive, and then put it into a different location. Or I could look up where's it currently stored. If you do the lookup, where's a product currently stored, it will show you all the locations it's in. You should know as well with your location coding which are bulk and which are pick. If you include that when you create it, so ZA, A to F, if you know that's a pick, then you might put a pick in front of the ZA, or you'd at least know the location coding that equals pick versus bulk. Or maybe your bulk's in a completely separate zone, and therefore the zone code at the beginning is going to be different. But here, rather than having to receive everything and then put it away, I can just choose, right, where's this product currently stored? And I can select that, and then when I go to the put away location, I just press receive. So it's working things in a slightly different way. The step that this eliminates is having to receive everything in and then do a put away as a separate workflow. And that's why it offers like some advantage compared to some of the other ways of doing it, like receiving everything in and then having to sort through everything and do the put away, which would be a separate process for a different type of operation.